In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project as a template in Asana. This is really useful if you find yourself creating the same kind of project over and over again, like onboarding new clients, launching campaigns, or running recurring events. Once you save a project as a template, you can quickly spin up a new project with the same structure, tasks, and layout, instead of rebuilding everything from scratch each time. First, start by opening Asana and selecting the project that you want to turn into a template. Make sure this project is already set up the way you like it. That means your sections, tasks, subtasks, assignees, due dates, and any custom fields should be in place. The cleaner and more complete this base project is, the more useful your template will be later. So, it's worth taking a moment to remove any test tasks or personal notes that you don't want to appear in every future project. Once your project is open, look toward the top of the screen for the project title. Right next to the project name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow or caret icon. This is the project options menu. Click on that small arrow to open a list of settings and actions you can take for this project. When the menu appears, scan through the options and look for the one that says Save as Template. Go ahead and click on Save as Template. Asana may prompt you to confirm some details like the template name, a description, and possibly who can use it, depending on your workspace or plan. Use a clear and descriptive name so that you and your team can easily recognize when to use this template. For example, instead of just template, you might call it client onboarding template or marketing campaign launch template. You can also add a short description to explain what this template is for and how it should be used. This is especially helpful in larger teams where multiple people might be creating and using templates. After you confirm and save, Asana will store this project as a reusable template. The next time you create a new project, you'll be able to choose this template as your starting point, instantly copying the structure you just saved. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, click the small arrow